Hi, this is Stacy, and I'm going to be showing you how to create a Quizlet using the application Quizlet.com. So the first thing you want to do is in your browser screen or in your browser, in your address bar, you want to click or type in www.quizlet.com, and that's going to bring you here. And you're probably going to have to sign up for an account, and so we're going to walk through those steps also. So you pick a username, and I'm just going to pick Stacy2410. You type in your email address, and if you get a green check, that means that the username is available. If it's not available, it would say this username is taken. And then you enter in the password of your choice. And then most importantly, you have to agree to the terms of service. Check. And then click sign up. Oh, oops, sorry. And don't forget to enter your birthday, including the year. So now we have our account set up. So we're going to click on Skip Teacher Edition, and we're going to create a set of flashcards, which is what Quizlet is commonly used for, and you can also use them as assessments for your students. So you click on Create a Set, which is right here on the left and also up here at the top. And we're going to give this a title. We're going to call this Fiscal Policy Review. And the most important thing is you have to select a language, and you can see that the top languages are English and Spanish. We're going to go with English. And for definitions, we're also going to choose English. So you add in your first term, and we're going to go gross domestic product. And you can actually do a search. You can either type your definition here. So we're going to say total amount of goods and services produced in a country in a given year. Or if you want, you can even click on the auto define button, which is all the way to the right here, and it will give you definitions that you can actually use. So I could take this out and change this to say the sum total of the values of goods and services produced in a nation. Just to show you again, so we're going to use fiscal policy, and you can type in a definition, or you can click on auto define, and it will give you a list of definitions that were already created in the database. So once you're done, you can then decide if you want this to be flashcards, if you want them to be a game, a speller, a test, a scatter, or a speed race. I'm sorry, a space race. And you can even add or remove terms right here. Then when you're ready to share your Quizlet, you click on the share button, and it's going to give you a link, and you can copy the link and simply share it in an email, or you can share it in an email with all of your students, or you can enter in specific email addresses. So for example, I'm going to enter in my work email, and then I will get an email sent to me with this link in it. The cool thing about Quizlet is that the students can decide also how they look at the terms, and you can at any time go back in and edit your flashcards. You can add terms, you can remove terms, you can print them, and this is just a really cool tool to use to get the students involved and more engaged as you try to assess their understanding. So then, once you're done, you just go ahead and log out. Thank you for your time.